Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Product Focus Friday. This month we are playing with Allie Edwards products. So I've grabbed out my more recent quarterly kit, which is all about numbers. So there's a lot of cool things in here. Yeah, some awesome papers. I've got a photo of my son doing a project in, was this first grade? Yes, first grade. And I just grabbed all this. It's also knickknacks this month, so clips or paper clips, and I have some fun shaped ones. So I grabbed this squiggly looking flower one and a heart one that's in this green. I thought those would go quite well because it's also Scraptember and it's also Confessions of a Paper Addict Cutfile day for me for a design team layout. So this is a Cutfile design team layout for Confessions of a Paper Addict. So I've cut this out a couple times. This is from May, actually. It's pie chart. So I grabbed it in a couple different sizes. And I think I'm just going to use it kind of as a background element. I haven't quite decided what I wanted to do, but I shrunk it down and cut it in a few different sizes. I don't even know if any of these are the same. Might all be different. Not sure. So I've got that. And the Scraptember prompt today is stickers. So I've grabbed some stickers out. I have some Allie Edwards stickers, Maker, Artist, Crafter. I grabbed these puffy stickers. This chasing matches this really, really well. So I was thinking about using this because they're doing patterns, paper weaving, which is technically a math project. But patterns and the color, it's all about school. So I thought that would work. So I'm going to look through here. I grabbed some more Allie Edwards products out. This is just more stickers that I have of hers. And then this is my container of all just leftover sticker sheets, etc. So I wanted to use some of those. So I'm going to get my papers and things and start figuring out what I want to do with this. And maybe I'll grab the black and white kit too and see if there's any paper on there I would rather use instead. But I just want to show you kind of all the things I was working with, and I'll figure out a design here shortly. So let me start going through things, and I'll check back in with you shortly. All right, so I didn't use any of the number paper except for that colorful one that I showed you. I really was inspired by the colors of that Allie Edwards paper. So I actually went back to my black and white kit and grabbed out the leftovers of the this black pattern that I had, which was just like an I gutted it, so it was the outline or a backing piece, and I trimmed down this white lined one. And then I decided, because I liked those colors so much, let's spritz one behind each pie chart. So I took rose gold red and I spritzed some, this one is no yoking, just randomly because I forgot about the yellow. This one is Well Bloomy Darn, very closely matched. The rose gold red, very Practice What You Peach. And then this one is the green, and it is Ocean Water, one of my favorites. And those colors just, I love the way this looks. So we've got kind of a diagonal design going on inadvertently. That's kind of what happened. So I figured I could use some of these in my pie charts. And then I want to use this chasing because it matches all the colors in part of my title, but I got to figure out what the rest of my title is going to be. So I've got main Allie Edwards stuff, and then I was going to see if I could use any of these icons that are in here for anything. I could do the star, maybe. This is just chipboard, and then there's this Be Open, so we could use that. The rest of those are numbers and letters. Maybe the green music notes. But yeah, I really want to use up these puffy stickers, or these foam stickers, I should say. So I want to use those, and then I want to use some of these Allie Edwards stickers. Got my cut file used up. I just glued that down, and then we'll see from this giant sticker stash what else I can. Oh, maybe I should see if I have a word to use. Chasing love. No, chasing hello. Oh, we can use some of those maybe some of those. Chasing Epic. That might. These are a lot of numbers. Maybe I could spell something with those, or even the yellow. Alright, I want to let this dry better before I start gluing more things down on it. But I'm really liking that. And I've got all these fun stickers I can add. Alright. Getting some stickers down. I chose Chasing Grades. I'm going to do some of these puffies. Making it through. There, I used a whole set of Allie Edwards stickers. Grab some of these phrase stickers because they're kind of in some of the colors. Limited edition. Put a pink camera in there. Got a lot of frames in this one. Anything on here? I feel like that's looking good. I don't know if I want to add too much more. Just to fill that out a little down there. And I'll write a date. That's it, guys. I'm gonna add, do I want white splatters? I think white splatters. I'm gonna add some white splatters and date on either that one or that one. I think this one. And we're gonna call it good. So I played with lots of stickers. I played with Allie Edwards. I used some shaped paper clips. I did a Confessions of a Paper Edit cut file, which is awesome. It's fun when you can cut things to different sizes and use them. Awesome. That's all I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.